Welcome here tonight. Of course, we've got the Dorado Derby this week, and looks like we're going to have around 45 to 50 teams, and that gives us about 275 to 300 anglers fishing for Dorado out here off of the Costa Quepos. Right now, the bite is very, very good. We're catching a lot of Dorado, so these guys are going to have some great opportunities out there and can go out and have some fun. We've got a lot of female anglers, we've got a lot of junior anglers, and we also have some first-time anglers. So that's what makes this tournament so much fun and so exciting, is that the mixture of the families, the young folks, the women, and everybody comes out and participates. It makes this such a great event here at Marina Vela. So, thank you for coming out. Thank all you anglers for coming out. Tomorrow is going to be a great day on the water here at Marina Vela. Let's give a big hand to our tournament team right here. What do you say? There's what makes this all possible.